Happy Saturday. So today is cleaning day. I'm cleaning out all of these products from out of my closet, my storage closet that I do not use. I got this basket down to 4. This is just like foot scrubs, you know, stuff like that. Oh, this is some toothpaste, so this is in the wrong bucket. Most of this stuff in the middle is what I'm getting rid of because it's either something that I don't use or it's expired. So except for like this, my spray, I gotta just figure that stuff out. So container is the only one that is always organized because I just put my mask in here. This one is just like face cleaners, the little mud mask, stuff like that. So I got that together. This one is like face mist. I have this makeup brush cleaner that I really don't use. Y'all know that. More face mist, toners. These little peel off masks, which I really don't like because if you have any type of peach fuzz on your face, trying to get this stuff off is like the worst. It really hurts. So yeah, I'm gonna go through all of this stuff, toss out what I don't want. Yeah, like I just been like throwing stuff. I have a spot for my pillow mist, so this should be in there with those. What else I have in here? Oh, I love this. I've been looking everywhere for this, so I need to put this over there. What else? I just have a mess up here, so y'all wish me luck. This is where I keep all of my pillow mist. Y'all know how I am. Like if I like something, I buy a bunch of it. So y'all know I've told y'all before about this deep sleep pillow mist. It smells so good. This is my favorite one. Anytime I see it in Home Goods or TJ Maxx, I have to buy more than one because I just love it. This one smells really good too. It's the wind down pillow mist. I think I have 2 of those. So this is another deep sleep. I have some body oils back here. Detox oils, all this stuff. More pillow mist that I like. So yeah, all of this stuff is nice and organized. Hey y'all, so I finally finished cleaning up. I'm just putting some lotion on my legs. But I finally finished cleaning up. I woke up early this morning and started cleaning and trying to get some stuff organized. And now I'm finally done. I had to put on this hoodie because I'm a little chilly. I never complain about the temperature in our apartment, but today I feel pretty chilly. So this it's just a black hoodie from Boohoo. I've still been using this Laneige. I ordered mine from Amazon. It works so good. I like the Pear. It's just a glossy lip balm. It's good. So if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys saw the drink that I post on my Instagram story. And I had like the drink that I did yesterday on my mukbang channel, but I added a few different colors. So I'm gonna do that one again today. Hopefully I can get it a little prettier than the one last night because it was my first time doing it. So we're gonna do that again today. So I'm gonna go in here and take you guys with me. We're not doing nothing today, y'all. We just really chilling out because Tony had to work yesterday. He's usually off on Fridays, but he had to work yesterday, so I'll just be getting my little quality time in with my husband today. Look, y'all, I got some packages. Tony, turn that light on over there for me. Look, y'all, so I finally checked my P.O. box and I received a few packages, so I wanted to open them on camera. I started to open this one, but it had so much stuff in it, so I was like, okay, I'll just open it on camera. So thank you so much. This was so nice. So I received this package right here. This is a black-owned company, Femi. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'll show you guys what's inside. Love the rose gold girl. Okay, let's see her name. I already read the card. Her name is Latoya, and she has her own cosmetic line. So she just sent me 2 of the customer favorite lip glosses. This one is Posh. This looks like a color that I would definitely wear. And the second one, this one doesn't have a name on it. Let me see if she put it. Oh, this is just a nude gloss, and then this is Posh. So I'm excited to try this. I'll try this later on the vlog, but this is definitely a color that I will wear. So thank you so much, Latoya. And then I received a gift from Renee. Thank you so much. I already know what this is because I actually received an email about this. Because y'all remember when I was making my drink on last weekend's vlog and I said that I didn't have a blender. So she sent me an Amazon gift card and the note said, go buy you a blender, sis. So I thought that was so sweet. I don't know how much is on here, but thank you so much, Renee. That was so sweet. And then the next gift that I got is from, it just says S. Wilkes. I can't show the box because it has her address on it. Love the packaging. I can already tell what this is. Oh, thank you. Oh, look. Oh, I love this. Look, y'all. Eating Pretty Mukbangs. Thank you so much. So cute. Look at that. So cute. Thank you so much. That is so sweet. Let's see what else is in here. There's a few things in here. Ooh, I think it's another glass. If you guys don't follow me on my mukbang channel, I always have my little signature drinks. So it's like Christmas. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, this is so, look at this. It says Eating Pretty Mukbangs, and this one is for Tony. How cute. Tony, you have a gift. Ooh. And then it comes with this note. I'm not gonna read it on here. Oh. Well, I do want to read it. I can read it. It says, hey, Sharika, in this box are a few gifts for you to use whenever. I included one for you, one for Tony, and one for Ryan or Kalila. You are a beautiful person, and I pray God continues to bless you and your family. Please let me know how you like these, or if there is anything you would have liked to be done different. Love always, Summer. Oh, thank you so much. That is so sweet. Okay. Let's see. Oh, she sent me some straws. The plastic straws. Thank you. I've been looking for some with some different colors. Thank you so much. And then we have one more cup. This is so nice. And this one just says Eating Pretty Mukbangs, Sharika. Oh, Oh, thank you so much. This is so sweet. Y'all know I love gifts. Thank you guys so much. This was so sweet. Thank you. All right, y'all. So this is everything that I'll be using. I'm going to use a little bit of ice, but mostly frozen fruits. I'm going to do the frozen sliced peaches. We're going to do a shot of rum. I might add a little bit more. I'm not too sure yet. I would use the simple syrup, but the blue curacao and the grenadine is pretty sweet, so I don't think I'll need this. So I'm gonna just set this to the side. And with these two colors, the blue and the red, I'll still get green because of the color of the peaches. So let's see how this turns out. I wish I had another alcohol that I can use.
Put tequila in it.
I have rum.
You can mix them. You still put tequila in it.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna do.
Use that peach schnapps.
1 shot of tequila too. You think I should use peach schnapps too?
You got peach, so it don't matter really. It's just the flavor.
And we're gonna do peach schnapps. All right, y'all. Let me get y'all set up. We're gonna add the peaches. That should be good. We're gonna add.
Yeah.
Give me. Yeah. We're gonna do.
Pour it on there like you did last time.
I'm gonna do a full shot of rum. You can use whatever rum you want. We use the Rodrigo. Then I'm gonna do half a shot of tequila.
Jose Cuervo.
Use whichever one you want. We use Jose Cuervo.
That's a little more than half, my dear.
Pour it in. And we're gonna do half a shot of peach schnapps. They have different brands, so you guys can try whichever one you like. Or use whichever one you like. Then I'm gonna get a few ice cubes. Give me a few. Put some in this thing for me too.
You don't show it?
That's enough. Cause I don't want it to be too I want it to be just like the one I did yesterday. I didn't have that much ice in it, and it was very good. All right. So let's see. Do I have this on there right?
Wow.
Well, it was good.
Yeah.
Inside. Okay, yes, this is, y'all see that? This is the consistency that you want. Really good. I'm gonna taste a little bit on a spoon. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna work on making it look pretty. So let's see what glass I want to use. I use the same one that I had on my Instagram last night. All right. So here's the glass. So I'm gonna do a splash of this. This is the blue syrup that I use. So I'm gonna do a splash of this. Just a little. Put a little more. And then we're gonna add some of the mix in there. I probably need to put a little bit more, make a little bit more. All right. Then we're gonna add a splash of the grenadine. And we add some on top. And I need to make a little bit more. This is what we're looking like so far. I know it look a little dark. Tony, turn on that box light. That was the light that I was talking about. Alright, I need to make a little bit more mix. See, last night I had pineapples in it too, so it's a little brighter. Add a little blue. I'll do some red up too. Red. Here so y'all can see. Can y'all see that? Turned out pretty cute. So I'll let y'all name it in the comments. Y'all leave a name for this drink. It looks good, right? Y'all, I'm gonna use one of my new straws. The green one. This is a reusable straw. And we're gonna taste test it. Oh yes, Miami who? This is delicious. This is so good. So don't add the simple syrup, because like I said, the syrups, the blue syrup and the red, the grenadine, it's already really sweet. So that's that jump. So if y'all try this recipe, anytime y'all try a drink that I've made, y'all tag me on Instagram and I will repost y'all on my Instagram story. So y'all let me know, honey. I'm so proud of this drink.